We're here in Huffines, Kia, Subaru in Corinth, and we're here with the service manager, Tony Sadeo. Tony, thanks so much for speaking with us. So can you tell us a little bit about your excitement over this new store?
I'm very excited to share that. So we've been working on it, well, actually a year or two, very much in development. We're about 6 months from completion. So by the end of the year, somewhere around Christmas, New Year's, we're going to be in our new location. It's about a mile south of here on the same feeder. So we're excited.
Very close by, that's great. And what services do you offer here right now?
Well, of course, as you said, we're Kia Subaru, currently operating on a one service department. We're actually going to expand into two complete different service departments. We offer everything from an oil change, wiper blade, all the way to engines, transmissions. Mainly do a lot of maintenance because we have great cars, but we offer it all.
And where exactly are you located for people trying to get to the area?
Well, of course, we're 5150 I-35 east-south, right here in Corinth, just south of Denton.
All right, Tony, thanks so much for visiting with us.
Thank you.